Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at, are maintenance contracts worth purchasing? Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You will find maintenance contracts for almost everything, from cars to heating equipment and air conditioning equipment, major appliances, electronics, phones, roofs, plumbing, and even the electrical wiring in your home. It may be offered to you at the time of purchase as an extended warranty or as an extended service contract. Sometimes they may be unneeded and sold by a pushy salesperson, while other times they are amazing and can save you thousands of dollars on repairs. So let's take a look at some ways that you can determine if a maintenance contract is right for you by going over 10 questions that you should ask yourself first. Number 1. What is the lifespan of the product, and how long can you pay for the contract before you lose? If you have a phone that costs $600 and the maintenance contract is $7 a month with a $100 deductible, it would take you 6 years until the contract exceeds the cost of a new phone. If you find that your phones are not making it to 6 years before needing to be replaced, then this situation would be in your favour. But also consider that in 6 years, the cost of an item may change quite a lot. Number 2, do you have enough money in the bank to purchase another one of equal or greater value if it breaks down and still make your monthly bills? Would you have enough money to replace the product if it broke down today and still have enough to pay your monthly bills? This is very crucial, as many people do not have the money in reserve to pay for things like automobile repairs or roof repairs or major appliance repairs. That is why paying a small monthly fee and budgeting yourself for these unforeseen repairs can really help you when major cash outlays are needed down the road. Number 3, does the service contract replace a product if they cannot repair it? Some contracts cover complete replacement, cost of equal value of the product, and others will give you a percentage of what the product is worth. So when determining which contract that you're purchasing, you should always want to make sure that you purchase a contract with full replacement cost. This way, if the product is unrepairable, you are not left forking out even more money to cover the cost of the replacement as well. With some replacement plans, you will receive a refurbished replacement, and with others, you may receive the current generation of that product. It is worth reading on the details of any replacement plan in the contract. Number 4, if they don't replace the product, do they give you a percentage towards the purchase of a new product? While a contract with a replacement plan will often come with a larger monthly fee, if you're looking for just security on repairs, and you want to purchase a contract that just repairs your product and gives you a portion of the money back, you can get these contracts much cheaper on a monthly basis. So it's completely based on what you have in a reserve account. Number 5, is the company offering the contract a local brick and mortar business near your city, or are they located far off in another state? Companies that sell you contracts in your area tend to be much more responsive, as they are local and need to keep their reputation. They are also easier to get a hold of on the phone and tend not to have you call a 1-800 number and be put on hold for long periods of time. Having a broken product and having to call in on insurance is annoying enough. No need to make the process more stressful. Number 6, can you find reviews of the business online to see how their reputation is, or how many complaints that they might have had? Regardless of the service you need, you should always check the reputation of the company you are dealing with for their online reviews. Number 7, does the warranty company subcontract their service providers, or do they have their own service with in-house employees to repair your product? This is very important when deciding on a contract. Subcontractors are not vested in the company that you sold your contract. When dealing with subcontractors, you often have no idea who is coming into your home. You need to ask the warranty company if they subcontract, if the contractor has liability insurance, are the technicians background checked, and do they have workman's compensation if they get hurt on your property? Make them provide copies of this information before you purchase the contract. If you're getting a local company, there is a good chance that they are using their own repairmen and have all of the insurance covered, but it's always advised to ask beforehand. Number 8. Are there upfront, out-of-pocket deductibles per occurrence of a breakdown? This is important to know what you will pay upfront. If you are paying $150 deductible to repair a product that is worth $400, it is not a great value. Always ask for the deductibles per occurrence. Some warranty companies start out low on the first occurrence, say $50, and then go up to $100 on the second occurrence, and then $200 for the third, bringing your cost up each time you use it. Number 9. What exclusions are in the contract? Transmissions, phone screens, car engines, and other expensive items. Transmissions, phone screens, car engines, water flooding, electrical power surges, customer abuse. Become aware of what is covered and, more importantly, what is not covered by the contract. You need to thoroughly read each contract for any exclusions that could cost you in the long run. In most cases, these are understandable things, such as customer abuse. However, some companies can use these as loopholes to easily prevent you from getting paid on a legitimate claim. If that were the case, you would often see this mentioned when looking at the reviews. And finally, number 10. If you find the business is not fulfilling their end of the contract by not paying out on the claim, can you take them to small claims court? If this company is in another state, many times in the contract they will state that you have to physically come to their location to litigate any claims. So if you live in New Jersey and the company is out of California, then you'd have to go to California to litigate and file a claim. Or you have to hire an attorney out of state, which could get very expensive. Make sure you can litigate in the state that you live in if you are the type of person to sue a business. In most cases, your best bet is to just find an upstanding business to work with in the first place and avoid that nightmare entirely. Of course, there are many other options besides going through a service contract, such as finding an inexpensive repair shop to fix it, or in some cases, you may be able to fix it yourself. Today, you can find video guides online that teach you how to repair almost everything, and if you have a little bit of mechanical savvy, this may be the most inexpensive option. This is why we have a library full of thousands of appliance repair videos, ranging from basic fixes that you can do for yourself, to more advanced repairs geared towards technicians. If you need a video to help you fix your appliance, head over to ApplianceVideo.com. And as always, if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.